Welcome. If you're looking to share a PDF file from the Dropbox mobile app quickly and easily, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps to copy a link to any PDF stored in your Dropbox app, so you can send it to anyone without hassle. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once it's launched, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files option. This is where all your saved documents, including PDFs, are organized and ready to be accessed. Now, scroll through your files or use the search bar to find the specific PDF you want to share. When you spot it, look to the right side of the file name. You'll see 3 vertical dots, that's the menu button. Tap on these dots to open up a list of options related to that file. In this menu, you'll see several choices, but the one you want is Share. Tap on it, and it will open up the sharing options. Sometimes Dropbox gives you multiple ways to share, but here's the key step. Tap on Copy Link. This action copies the direct link to your PDF file's location in your Dropbox folder straight to your device's clipboard. Once the link is copied, you're free to paste it wherever you want, whether it's in an email, a text message, or a chat app. Anyone with the link will be able to view or download the PDF, depending on the permissions you have set in Dropbox. It's a quick and straightforward process that saves you the trouble of sending the actual file, especially when dealing with larger PDFs or sharing with multiple people. Just remember, if you want to control who sees the file, double-check your folder or file sharing settings in Dropbox, and that's all there is to it. Opening Dropbox, tapping Files, hitting those 3 dots, tapping Share, and copying the link will get your PDF shared in no time. Thanks for watching.